and is able to carry out such jobs safely and much more efficiently than with the technologies used up to now. Vehicles with wheels quickly reach their physical limits on inclines and, even in combination with several vehicles, tractors and construction machines, can only reach their destination to a limited extent and with the risk of damage to people and machines. The main component of the new off-road crane and transport system is the TC50 heavy-duty transport crawler, with which loads weighing up to 50 t can be transported safely and efficiently, even through the most difficult terrain. This can be used multifunctionally in various operating modes. About the operation mode of Master Crane System Meister. In the off-road semi-trailer operating mode, almost any semi-trailer can be hitched up, regardless of whether it is a standard semi-trailer, semi-low loader or trailer. This means that even fully loaded semi-trailers can be transported safely to the desired location without time-consuming reloading, even on the most difficult terrain. This is where the System Meister's heavy-duty transport Caterpillar clearly shows its advantages over heavy-duty tractor units. In the direct loading operating mode, the heavy-duty transport Caterpillar of the System Meister can accommodate a wide variety of loads thanks to variable and project-specific modifiable load carriers. The heavy-duty crawler is therefore able to carry loads of up to 200 t, for example in projects in wind power, in overhead line and plant construction, or in the construction of mobile phone masts. Even in the most difficult terrain. In the off-road loading crane operating mode, the heavy-duty transport crawler picks up a 53-mount loading crane with fly-gin and transport platform. In addition to a powerful knuckle boom crane with a lifting height of up to 35 m and a lateral reach of over 30 m, this also enables the desired load to be transported safely on difficult terrain or in confined spaces. Especially in glass and glass element construction, this operating mode shows advantages when used in narrow construction sites. The modular parity of the system is also clear here. The complete System Meister model TC50 comes to the place of use without a permit with only one articulated train and a total train weight of less than 40 t. A powerful 60 t or 100 t at crane superstructure can be picked up in the off-road telescopic crane operating mode and expands the possible uses of the system as a crawler telescopic crane. A maximum lifting capacity of up to 100 t is then available off-road. This equipment feature and the possibility of being able to operate the crane superstructure in the so-called standalone operating mode, i.e. without an undercarriage, once again shows the flexibility and multifunctionality of the system. Loads can be transported and lifted with just one System Meister unit. Next is 900 t girder transporter. Girder transporter is a rubber-tired carrier that always works together with railway forward/highway gantry crane and bridge girder erector launching gantry. Called three-piece in the industry. It is an economical and efficient transporter to build a highway and high-speed railway bridge in the shortest possible time. We also call this way PSM. Stands for precast span method. The famous Beijing to Shanghai high-speed railway was built in this way. Spans concrete box girders are precast concrete girders in place near bridge or railway construction site. Operators use girder transporter to transport those spans next to launching gantry one by one. The gantry erects a piece of span and moves it to space between the next two piers. You may need 90 days to build a bridge in the old days. Now you only need 3 days to finish same work if you use span carrier in PSM way. Now we will go deeper into the 900 t girder transporter. 900 t girder transporter is suitable for transporting and installing whole concrete girder in high-speed railway construction. Girder transporter can carry concrete box girder from precast yard to the worksite by way of pavement, railway roadbed, bridge and culvert, cooperating with the bridge girder launcher to finish installing girders. The girder transporter can carry the bridge girder launcher to another worksite in short distance, and also carry it to pass the passenger special double-line tunnel. The 900 t girder transporter has a vehicle width 6,950 mm, overall length 38,600 mm. The vehicle is high-tech products integrating with motor, electrical device and hydraulic system. The girder transporter is designed and manufactured by ZZHZ, its main features and advantages: hydraulic drive, hydraulic suspension bridge, hydraulic independent steering, the rise, fall and leveling of hydraulic frame. Use industrial computer to control driving, rise, fall, turning and leveling, as well as realize various operation modes such as direct movement, oblique movement and turning. The complete vehicle is very flexible, can realize no gliding driving or less gliding driving in smaller space. Use high-quality interchangeable parts and standard parts as designing the transporter. Choose famous brands parts at home and abroad as main accessories to improve reliability. Combination property and engineering level of the complete machine achieve international advanced level. When the transporter feeds girders cooperating with the bridge girder launcher, fixed 3-point support is turned to indeterminate many points, which greatly improve the reliability of support and reduce bending moment of main girder of transporter frame. As for safety, the transporter is equipped with monitoring alarm, emergency braking device, limitation inhibiting device, overload protection device, work environment wind force measurement device and so on. Set up double driving rooms with same configuration at two ends of the transporter, can realize two-way walk. In the driving room, you can watch rich display information to fully understand and control the condition. The girder transporter can transport 20m, 24m, 32m box-type concrete girder for double-track railway special line for transport of passenger with speed 350 km per hour and 250 km per hour, from precast site to girder erecting workstation via shortcut. Roadbed, bridge steel structure continuous girder with steel and concrete integrated included, and culvert, thus completes relevant girder carrying and erecting work with bridge girder launching gantry. Girder transporter can also carry bridge girder launching gantry to transfer to another site in short distance between bridges, to pass twin-track tunnel on railway special line for transport of passenger. The 900T girder transporter is driven by 64 driving wheels 16 sets, for 42 set for rear vehicle and front vehicle. The driving power device is of a built-in hydraulic motor connected with wheel hubs of all driving wheels by speed reduction gearbox. Hydraulic driving motor is a variable piston motor connected with gear reducer by same shaft. Reduction gearbox has brake device. Parking brake is of normally closed type brake which could ensure a higher brake safety as the motor misses and the complete machine is located on the ramp. All driving motors are in parallel oil supply to ensure a same output torque. Being number 1 in China and rank among the top 3 high-end bridge equipment manufacturers in the global market. ZZHZ engineered solutions to satisfy every critical aspect of the bridge design and provides equipment of divine craftsmanship. ZZHZ endeavor to stand up to any challenge heads-on. ZZHZ have a long history involved in the design and manufacture of high-end equipment. ZZHZ takes part in China infrastructure development projects in relation to the national rail networks and implementations. ZZHZ introduced the 1,700 tons, 900 tons and for 50 tons launching gantries, straddle carriers and transporters that paved the way to the formation of new national standard in construction of the elevated high-speed rail line. Expressway and bridges across China. ZZHZ dominates the market and achieves the biggest market share in China. Under the recent One Belt One Road initiatives, ZZHZ plays an imperative role supporting infrastructure development projects in worldwide locations covering Singapore, South Korea, Saudi Arabia, Algeria, India, Vietnam, Ecuador, etc. The equipment made by ZZHZ are exported to project locations outside China. They have been put to good use in whatever working conditions and geographical environments.